Start ka na, be.
Okay na, start na.
Oo.
Okay, good evening everyone. We are the group 4 and this is our report for Noli Me Tangere. For introduction, the Noli, one of the two famous novels of our nation, hero Jose Protasio Mercado Rizal y Reolando, or simply known as a great doctor, Jose Rizal, came up in the writing the book as inspired and motivated by the scene of novel by Harriet Bachelor of Tone, Uncle Tom's Coven, which describes and illustrates the slavery and the hard station of the African Americans. Jose Rizal, also known as Pepe, proposed the reading of the first novel in the meeting on January 2, 1884, which was held at the Paterno's residence in Madrid. The novel would contain or show the current station of the Philippines during that time. So, the novel origin, the title of the book of the title of the book is a Latin phrase taken the Pepe from the Bible himself, meaning of touch me not. It is particularly found in John 20, verse 13 to 17, as the newly risen Christ says to Mary Magdalene, touch me not. I am not yet ascended to my Father, but go to my say unto them, and ascended unto Father and to my God of our God. Although as much as technical decisions of the title is a particularly painful type of cancer, Jose intended to show through his novel the Filipino society cancers that the oppressed felt too much pain too much. The writing of the novel of its publication, Jose Rizal wrote the first half of the Noli from 1884 to 1885 while he was in Madrid. Spain studying medicine from time to time while in Paris, Pepe is completing the book. And the Rizal finally completed his first novel in December of 1886 in Berlin, Germany. However, that he might not to be able to print a book since he is as financial difficulties according to the Nation Heroes biography. Juan Maximo Vayula appeared in the scene who offered help financing the publications of the book of the Rizal. However, was instead the ended of 10 Jose 300 for 2,000 copies. The printing has finished early than the expected 5 months period of printing. And this is the introduction of the Philippines to the world.